this video, I'm going to show you how to use sum function, SUMIF function, as well as SUMIFS function. So over here we got certain kind of data which consists of certain brand names, country names, as well as a model description like optical zoom, weight, model weight, megapixel, LCD monitor, the cost, the list price, and its quantity. So from this table we are going to find out what is the total quantity, what is the total quantity produced by Sony, what is the total quantity produced by Sony in Japan, what is the total quantity produced by Panasonic, and then last we're going to find out what is the total quantity produced by Panasonic in USA. So first we're going to find out what is the total quantity. So over here we're going to use sum function equal to sum, select the range, control shift down arrow, close the parentheses and hit enter. So you got 2,246. Next we're going to find out total quantity produced by Sony. So over here we're going to use SUMIF function because we have only one condition over here, which is that it is saying that show me the quantity which is produced by Sony brand. So over here I'm going to use SUMIF function. So over here it says select the range and then give your criteria, which is the condition, and then select the sum range. So over here my range would be the branding list, A2 to A51. So till A51 we have the data, and then give your condition. My condition is I want Sony brands. So we are finding out the total quantity produced by Sony, right? So our condition will be Sony, and then comma, select the sum range. So that's what this one would be, the sum range J51. Okay, J2 to J51. Cool. And then close the bracket, hit enter. We got 191. So the total quantity produced by Sony is 191. Next we are going to find out total quantity produced by Sony in Japan. So over here we are going to use SUMIFS function because we have more than one condition. So whenever we use SUMIF function, you can give as many conditions as you can as per your need. So over here it says that first select the sum range and then give your criteria, which is a condition, and then after selecting the sum range, give your criteria range and then select the criteria, which is a condition. So here it goes. First I have to select the sum range J51 comma, and then select the criteria range, which is the branding list. A22 A51 comma, and then give your the condition. Give the condition. So the condition would be Sony, comma, give the second criteria range. The second criteria range would be the country. We want from Japan, right? So it would be B22 B51 comma, give your second condition, which is Japan. Close the parentheses, hit enter. So we got 137. So the total quantity produced by Sony in Japan is 137. Next we are going to find out total quantity produced by Panasonic. Over here we're going to use SUMIF function because we have only one condition over here. So here it goes, SUMIF select the range, which is A22 A51, and then give your criteria, which is Panasonic, and then select the sum range, which is J22 J51, and hit enter. So you got 141. So total quantity produced by Panasonic is 141. Next we will find out total quantity produced by Panasonic and USA. So over here we're going to use SUMIFS function because we have more than one condition. So here it goes. First we need to select the sum range, which is J22 J51, comma, select the criteria range. The criteria range would be A22 A51, comma, give your condition Panasonic, and then give your second criteria range. That would be B22 A51, comma, and then give your condition where you want to find out in which country. So the country would be USA. Close the parentheses and hit enter. So you got 104. So the total quantity produced by Panasonic is 104. So I'm going to show you how it is 104. So this is the data over here. Panasonic is USA, and the quantity over here is 52. Okay, so the other data of Panasonic, yeah, this is the one you can see in A39, Panasonic USA, and this is 52. So 52 plus 104, that's 104, and we got 104, right? Total quantity produced by Panasonic is 141. So we have USA, Japan, We have 52. Panasonic USA, Panasonic Japan is 37. And then Panasonic again over here is 52. So the total is 141. So this is how we use sum function, sum if function, as well as sum ifs function. Well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and see ya.